What's going on, guys? I hope you're all having a great day. Another work vlog on Mater today. You guys love the videos. We love making them. So today what we're going to be doing is sanding the body down, getting it ready for prime and primering with our 2K urethane production primer from ARC. We've got our activator here. We've got some rust remover here. We've got our safety equipment. If you guys didn't see last video, we used a Hot Rod Black Sim product. I'll leave a link below for the frame. That is going to be an Amazon link below. We got our orbital sander here. We got some sandpaper for our DuraBlocks. We got tons of different DuraBlocks. This one's good for areas like this. Boom, boom, boom. You guys can kind of see how it flexes, where we're not going to be applying uneven pressure. We're going to try to primer it probably 3 times, block it with 400, then come back 3 more times, hit it with 400 again, see our low spots, and go from there. Of course, got lacquer thinner, just miscellaneous stuff. This is probably everything we're going to be using today, guys. Maybe a couple things, odds and ends, but disassemble. We got a couple more things to disassemble. We got to take off rubber grommets, some panels. We've already taken off this, some hinge work. Our wipers we got to take off. Our turn signals, not our turn signals, our marker lights. These aren't turn signals. This truck doesn't have that option. We got to just take off some odds and ends. We got to take off this emblem, brush guard.
There's that job rated.
There's a job rated. That, you see that white stuff? That's our rust remover. Bam! By the way,
new shirts, bro. They look clean.
These are nice shirts. People are sleeping on these shirts now, I'm telling you. We still got some of these shirts left, so make sure you guys are checking out the link below if you want a job rated, make Mater great again shirt. We got some left in stock.
Turn around. Look at that.
These aren't going to be available forever, guys. These are limited edition. We're not going to have these on the website for a long time. So if you guys want one, get one while they're still on the site. These things are not going to be there forever. Marker light here, bam. We've already got new seals coming for us, so don't worry about our seals. We're going to remove them, trash them. They're trash, sand in between it. Our rail, get the top. We got a new back glass on the way for it. Wiper this side. Mask this off, take this hinge off. You guys get the point. We got a lot of work to do today, guys, so we're going to be time-lapsing most of this so we can get it all knocked out. Tons of work getting done on Mater. You guys seen we fixed our rust hole patch yesterday, got our frame painted. If you guys didn't check out that video, there's a playlist for you guys. If you've missed a video, we've been uploading at least 3 a week. If you missed a video, check out the playlist. See from picking up Mater to now the progress we've made. So if you guys are new, consider subscribing. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button down below. And comment down below what you think about the progress on Mater so far. We're very close to deciding on the final color for Mater, so be waiting for that, guys. That's coming soon. We'll see you here in a second when we get to work. Hope you enjoy the video, and we'll get right into it. Alrighty guys, so we probably time-lapse you to death today, but check this out. This is smooth as a baby's butt. We got a couple more imperfections we need to fill in. We're really gonna be able to start telling once we start laying that primer on. It's a urethane primer though, a high build primer. So it is gonna help us a lot because we aren't the best at doing this. So we are gonna make mistakes. It's not gonna be perfect. This truck is 70 years old. From what we were working with to now, we made a ton of progress. You guys can check this out. So we had to go 36 grit on a lot of places because just the pitting was really bad. We even went to bare metal in a ton of spots. We went to bare metal, as you'll see. So we went 36, 80 grit, then 180. And once we hit it with 180, this stuff is just smooth, boys. Really, really smooth.
The other door can use probably some more 180. It's not as smooth, but let me tell you what. This is pretty dang freaking smooth.
I wish you guys could feel this.
Dude. It's like now, a baby's butt.
Don't get us wrong. We have a ton of work to do left into this, guys, but we've been working for probably 12 hours today on this. Just me and him. It takes us a long time to do this. It's just a cab, but it takes so long because of how old this truck is. If it was a new truck, it didn't need a lot of work, didn't need 36 grit hand, you know, a lot of these curves in this body. Now this truck's easy to sand. I'm not saying it's not, but you can see we got done in bare metal here a lot too. But just these areas that we can't get that pneumatic sander because of how it needs to curve. If we went with a pneumatic right here, you guys can see that wouldn't really be good. Same thing with here. We can hit the pneumatic here, but not on our body lines here. You guys get the point. But
we use that flexible pad to get the body lines.
And those things work great, man.
Yeah.
So the front, we got a lot of work to do here left, but you guys should have seen it before. We still got to get our bezels out for our fog lights and also our lights out. So, like I said, we got a lot of work to do left, guys, but we've got a lot of work done. Here's the other side. This is going to be the passenger side down here. Had a little bit of body work down here, not much though.
That's smooth too. This
oh yeah,
really smooth.
This is very smooth.
Yeah, like you said, we had a little bit of body work we actually had to do. We probably could have had his buddy do it yesterday, but we wanted to try for ourselves. I think it turned out pretty good. It was our first time doing body work.
We definitely got to add a little bit more right here. And like I said, guys, it's a 70-year-old truck.
That pitting's really bad
too. I mean, you guys, all in all, for this truck being a farm truck, it's not in that bad a shape actually. But just the pitting and dings here and there, we're just trying to work our way through it. We're not going to get it done in one day, but I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button down below. Again, if you want to check out the satin black hot rod product we used on the frame, link in the description below to that. Make sure you guys are going to check out Dippin' Diesel's channel. He's a full-time YouTuber. He uploads pretty much every day, if not every other day. He helps me a lot. So check out his channel. It's always linked down below in the description. Appreciate you guys checking out this video. Check out your Make Mater Great Again shirts, linked down below. We're not going to have these things out for too much longer, so get them while you can, guys. Thank you for making it all the way to the end of the video. Subscribe if you are new. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.